Okay, so hi, dear Gemini. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, arising from 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages. Don't take them personally like your life depends on it. Even if it is resonating 100% with you, just take the messages as the guidance, not as a life changing event. Whatever actions or decisions you guys are going to take based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or anyone on YouTube. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Gemini people for this week. Page of Gabriel, follow your passion. You are ready for any challenge, opportunities for excitement and adventure. All you guys have to do this week is follow your heart, follow your passion. You guys are ready for any kind of challenges that the universe is going to throw just to test you, maybe like if you are open to follow your passion or not. Opportunities for excitement and adventure is also going to be there. I don't know how to explain this. This is self explanatory. So let's see the per day messages for you guys for this week. अब कित दिशा में जाऊं? 20th, we have the Ace of Gabriel, a gift of passion, opportunity, and inspiration, the chance to do something amazing, a sense of wonder. You guys are going to be very passionate about something, to do something, to achieve something in your life on this particular day. You guys are going to be very inspired also. You guys are going to get the opportunity also to follow your passion. The chance to do something amazing is also there. You guys are going to be like kids, like you guys are going to dream like kids. In childhood, let's say I used to like I wanted to have a doll, and I always used to see that doll, feel that doll. And when my father gifted a doll to me, it was exactly the way I hoped it should be, right? So that kind of wonder you are going to have regarding your passion. So it's really beautiful, it's really innocent. This is how we manifest actually, by remaining innocent. Anyways, 21st, we have the 10 of Ariel. There's very much to be grateful for. Shift your focus from attitude of lack to attitude of gratitude on this day. Financial success and the promise of retirement. You guys are going to get some kind of good results of your investments, or you guys are going to get some kind of good results of your hard work when it comes to your business thing. Rich and rewarding family life. Your family life is going to be really, really beautiful and meaningful. You guys are going to love it and like it. So some kind of plan is going to start working out in your favor so that you guys can take an early retirement or spend more time with your family. Good energy. Focus on cultivating the attitude of gratitude in your life. 20th, 21st, 22nd, we have the Queen of Ariel. Nurture yourself and those you love. This week, I think it's connecting with your like heart, following your passion, and connecting with the people who you love or who loves you. I'm really sorry. I just had a lot of food. My favorite food, bhindi, if you guys like it. Ladyfingers, cooked in spices. I like spicy. I like very less spicy food, but a little bit of spiciness. Anyways, so nurture yourself and those you love. The ability to make anything more beautiful. This day is going to present you with the opportunity to make everything really very, very beautiful for yourself and people around you. Practical and wise advice. Somebody might end up giving you a really practical and wise advice. Listen to that. Not only listen to that, you can work with that you can work with with, oh my god, with that advice. It's going to be quite practical, it's going to be quite worthy of listening and worthy of taking. Okay, so we have 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, we have the 3 of Ariel. Do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career or artistic endeavors. It's all about following your heart this week, Gemini. I'm getting repetitive messages for you guys. I think you guys are going to continue the saga of following your heart and doing what you love. This is a great personal growth. This is a great time for you guys to have personal growth in your career or your artistic energies, artistic endeavors. Working with others in a cooperative manner. If you're working in a teamwork kind of a setup, or you're the boss, or there is collaboration partnership kind of a thing, you guys will be able to have a very cooperative kind of connection with your peers. This is really good. 21st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 24th. Stay determined and move forward. Okay, keep on moving forward even if you are going to face some kind of obstacles or challenges on this path. This is just this is just a test. Okay, stay determined and don't get overwhelmed with the kind of challenges you are going to get along the on the path of your happiness. Be prepared for any possibilities that is coming your way. Environmental activism. So if you are into environmental activism, if you are into environmental volunteering or something, spend some time there. You are going to end up having a lot of peaceful and happy energy around you. Right, awesome. 21, 2, 3, 4. 25th, we have the Emperor, stability and efficiency. This day you might end up having a feeling of stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. You guys might be taking a charge of a situation in your own hands. You guys will be like, from this point onwards, I'm going to make sure I'm going to do everything possible from my side to keep things going in a smoother and peaceful way. You guys are going to have ambitious plans also for the future ahead of you. 26, we have two of Raphael, two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful. Kindred spirits, don't give up on those you love. You are going to connect with somebody with whom you are going to feel like creating something really beautiful, romantically or otherwise. But this is like you guys connecting with someone on a very, very beautiful and deep level, and feeling like you guys can create something or co-create something really beautiful and meaningful with each other. There is going to be helpful people, helpful energies around you on this day. Don't give up on those you love, and don't give up on those people who loves you. Right, let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Gemini. So we have Nine of Raphael, make a wish, dream becomes reality, a joyful time of life. So you guys have to have a crystal clear clarity of what you really, really, really want from the universe. Make a wish, have a crystal clear clarity of what you really want. Your dreams, your manifestation can come to reality, a joyful time of your life. This week is going to be quite positive and joyful for you guys if you guys are going to allow it to flow in a natural and organic way. Good for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.